A woman badly burned in a bonfire accident in Sparta last month is now taking the first legal step. A new court filing says Aubrey Dye expects to sue the man who poured gasoline or another accelerant onto an active fire. The sudden flare-up burned 3 people, including Dye and her boyfriend Gabe McDaniel. Dye is asking a Christian County judge to let lawyers lock in testimony now, arguing memories could fade and witnesses could move away before a full lawsuit is filed. Meantime, according to a Facebook post from his employer, McDaniel was released from the hospital on Tuesday.